Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, do not forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to share this awesome video with your friends so that they can enjoy it too. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own DIY mask. So let's get on with this video. Alright guys, so for this part of the video, I'll be showing you how to make your non-surgical no-sew mask. You're only going to be needing two things. Some fabric. You guys can get your fabric from a washcloth, a t-shirt that you can just cut up, or a bandana. And I also have 4 hair ties. Get your fabric and lay it down flat. So it should be in hamburger position. Or if you're I have a rectangle shape, sort of. But you guys can also use a square shape. I'm just using this because this worked better for me. Get your top and fold it into your middle. Get your bottom and fold it into your middle. Then do the same thing twice. So again, top to middle and the bottom to middle. So right now, you should be at this. Now, get your first 2 hair ties and tie around each end 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Same thing on the other side. 1, 2, and 3. So now with those on there, you should have a pocket like this. Now, get your 3rd and your 4th hair tie and put them on the inside of your tied hair tie. Do the same thing with the other side. And then get the ends, so on the other side of your hair tie, and put them inside your mini pocket. Same thing with the other side. And then if you did it properly or right, one more time, so it should be on this side, into your pocket, tuck it into your pocket. You should be able to pull this. If you hold it down, you can pull it and it won't come out. Same thing with this one. If you hold it down. So now, adjust your mask to how you like it. And boom. Alright guys, so we're not done just yet. I will do a slower version of what I just did, but it's the same thing. Same materials. You'll need your fabric and your 4 hair ties. So now, your fabric, it should be horizontal. And top to the middle and bottom to the middle. Top to the middle, bottom to the middle. So now, after those 2 steps, it should look like this. Now, get one of your hair ties and tie them, so actually get 2, and tie them around both ends. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to tie them 4 times to make them a bit tighter. Then get your other hair tie. You can do 3, but 4 works better for me sometimes, or 3, depending on how long or how big it is. I'm just going to do 4 because it's tighter and it works really well because I know it's not going to come out. 4. So now you should have, and if you do 3 or 4, it doesn't matter as much. You'll still get that candy wrapper look. Now, on that candy wrapper, you won't find any candy, but you will find a pocket. And you can store your tips and your ends inside that pocket. So 1, 2. We forgot something, silly me. You need to get your other hair ties and put them on the opposite side of this. So it should be going inwards towards your pocket. Same thing on this side. Now, you can fold them in. Fold them in. Now get your other side, fold it in to your pocket. So you should have your 2 that I just added sticking out. So if I pinch it down, sticking out, and put it onto your face and adjust it so that you like it. This is a good size for me. It's type of breathable, so I know nothing's going to get into my mouth and my nose. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to share this awesome video with your friends so that they can enjoy it too. Stay safe out there, you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye and peace!